Hey guys, Nicholas from Helmetkarts here. Today we've got a step-by-step tutorial on the brand new FA-270 Go Kart. Now this buggy does have some added extras, so don't stress if you don't have those. All you'll need for this assembly is just a basic toolkit and maybe a second pair of hands to help out. But don't stress, as I'll be giving this a go solo, so you'll be all good.
Alright, so I'm Lawrence and I'm going to be doing the voiceover on Nicholas's video. Now this assembly is going to be quite straightforward. If you guys have tools, if you guys have a second person at hand, even better. Nicholas is going to be doing it by himself, and right now all he's done is separated all his parts. So he's got the frames, he's got the seats and the accessories such as the seat belt and the padding, and the wheels all put aside. What's going to be left over is your heaviest parts. Now your heaviest parts are your front frame, your middle frame, and your rear frame. So now that he has everything separated apart, you can see there's going to be the front frame. You're also going to have the middle frame, and then you're going to have the rear frame. Now each section is all pre-assembled for you, just a matter of putting these frames together. So Nicholas is going to grab the middle frame, move it into position. He's going to slide that straight underneath the steering wheel and aligning the main rods, which will slide through some holes. Going to be held in by some large nuts. You can then go to the rear end and align your rear swing arms. Your rear swing arm bolts should just slide through and connect the middle frame to the rear frame. He's sliding those bolts through now. It's okay just to hand tighten things while you position your frames. Next is your suspension bolts. Come in with a 10mm on a socket, 13mm spanner. Go ahead and hit that down with an impact gun. If you don't have an impact gun, that's fine. Just take your time. Next, you're going to be installing your steering column and steering shaft. Connect these two items together, slide in that bolt. Your collar itself is adjustable. You'll be able to move that up and down, which will result in bringing the steering wheel closer or further away from the user. Nicholas is going to raise the front end. That's going to give him easy access to the main nuts that are going to hold the front end frame to the middle frame. So he's got an impact gun. I believe it's a 19mm socket with an extension. It's going to give him better reach. Torque that down. While you have the front end raised up, it's going to give you an opportunity to install the wheels. 14mm nuts, torque that down. While you're there, double check your castle nuts with the split pin. Make sure they're nice and tight. If they are loose, just go ahead and remove the split pin, torque it down, slide the split pin back in. From here, raise the rear end. You're going to do exactly the same thing what you've done to the front, install your rear wheels. Now it's really looking like a kart. As you can see, bulk of the work is done. Next, you're going to move to the final accessories, which is going to be your plastic bucket seat, your seat cover, and your seat belt. There will be a bag of hardware, a mixture of bolts and nuts. Feel free to organize this if you need to, otherwise it's pretty self-explanatory. There's going to be a total of 4 bolts for this bucket seat. Just make sure they are the same length. Slide them through the holes, torque them down, and we'll be moving on to the next stage. Nicholas is going to grab that M bar. It's going to be a total of 3 bolts here to secure down to the middle frame. It's going to be using the same provisional mounts for the additional upgrade options such as your roll cage and half cage, but in this build we are using that M protection bar. Nicholas has then routed the electrical components and the harness for the electric start model. If you don't have the electric start model, you will just have a kill switch harness. So with this build right here, there will be a thicker line and a kill switch as well as a key ignition running from the battery and a starter motor. Next is grab the seat cover, slide this down straight into position. It's quite straightforward. Pat it down all across, make sure it's nice and flat before you tie it down. Moving on to the next stage, it's going to be your 3-point safety harness. Now this one right here is quite straightforward. I like to just lay it all out first, make sure it's nice and flush, it's all aligned without any twisting. Your left and right waist belts will secure to the main swing arm bolts, and your center one will wrap over the top of that M bar. So once you have that all torqued down, pretty much going to be looking complete, ready to go. And now you do just want to double check your work, make sure any loose lines, cables are zip tied to the frame, any loose bolts and nuts are torqued down correctly, make any adjustments necessary when you're sitting in the cart, and if you do have any other accessories such as roll cage and half cage, that's another video.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Your brand new FA-270 Go Kart is now ready for the final tune and balance and then its first test drive. Now I ask that you show us some love on the socials, and if you have any questions about this buggy or would like to purchase one, please reach out to us. Our website link will be down below. Thank you for tuning in and please enjoy your new buggy.